Good job. See if that'll come off now. Boom!
Oh, it's ugly.
Yeah, well, we gotta clean it up, you know. Alright, boat update. As you can see, there's quite a mess over here. This boat has been just about completely stripped. See, the motor's gone, gas tank's out of here. Every little clamp and pulley and everything nice and open. All the seats have been taken out. Thanks to the help of my son Ryan. Over here, all the seats have been taken out. Steering wheel's been taken out. Everything's stripped. Cut out piece of wood with my angle grinder, not angle grinder, but, and cleaned up a lot of this fiberglass. And we're going to start sanding the panels and putting some new seats in after this. So right now, this is just bare bones. Everything's been stripped. And makes it look a lot better. We're going to have room back here for like a cooler or backpack or whatnot for beer. And get an electric trolling motor. And this is all going bye-bye on Craigslist. I'm not even going to bother with this.
Sizes.
Huh?
Size the speedometer.
We're not keeping the speedometer.
Really want it?
No. So, this is all cleaned up. Just time to sand it and start putting it back together the way we want it to be.